Want to create your own Android game app in just a few minutes? Today, I'll show you how to build a super fun tap the ball game using Jetpack Compose. So this is the game. You just tap the moving ball, earn points, and race against time. Simple idea, but super addictive. If you want the full source code, check the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what app you want next.